Amazon is packed with mind-blowing tools that make work easier, smarter, and more efficient. Today, we're diving into 14 next-level Amazon tools that will upgrade your workshop, job site, and DIY game. All links are in the description, so let's get started. Number 1. The Rotozip SS35510 is designed for precision and power, making cutting jobs effortless. With a high-performance 5.5 amp Magna Core motor spinning at an impressive 30,000 RPM, it delivers an outstanding power-to-weight ratio, ensuring smooth operation without excess bulk. Unlike traditional saws, its spiral cutting technology lets you make plunge cuts, intricate freehand cuts, and quick cutouts with ease. The bump switch is cleverly designed for one-handed operation, so you stay in control without fumbling. Its dual grip zones provide superior comfort whether you're working in a horizontal or vertical position, reducing fatigue while maximizing precision. One of its smartest features is the exhaust vents, which actively direct debris away, keeping your line of sight clear throughout the task. Whether you're tackling drywall, wood, or tile, this tool brings next-level efficiency and versatility, making it a must-have for pros and DIYers alike. Number 2. The Dupra Neat Steam Cleaner makes deep cleaning effortless and chemical-free. Using only the power of steam, it eliminates dirt, grease, and grime without exposing your home to harsh chemicals. It comes with specialized attachments that allow you to clean floors, kitchens, bathrooms, vehicles, and upholstery with ease. The superheated steam reaches high temperatures, breaking down stubborn messes and sanitizing surfaces naturally. Its lightweight and compact design make it easy to maneuver, especially in tight spaces and corners. With a large tank capacity, it provides up to 50 minutes of continuous steam per fill, so you can clean more without constantly stopping to refill. Whether freshening up furniture, tackling tile grime, or deep cleaning carpets, this steam cleaner delivers a powerful, eco-friendly solution. If you want a reliable way to keep your space spotless while reducing your chemical use, this tool is a great choice. Number 3. The Hardell Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit is a game-changer for DIY enthusiasts, providing precision and convenience in a compact package. With 5 adjustable speed settings ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, it handles delicate tasks like sanding, polishing, drilling, engraving, and more with ease. The kit includes 61 versatile accessories, giving you endless creative possibilities, whether you're working on resin crafts, jewelry, or small repairs. Its lightweight, pen-like design ensures a comfortable grip, making intricate work feel effortless. Powered by a rechargeable 3.7 volts battery, this tool delivers an impressive 200 minutes of runtime per charge so that you can focus on your project without interruptions. The built-in LED light enhances visibility in dim areas, helping you achieve precise results. Designed for fine detail work rather than heavy-duty tasks, this rotary tool is the ideal companion for hobbyists, crafters, and anyone who loves working on intricate projects. Number 4. The Polywell Micro Sander Kit is the perfect tool for detail work, making sanding effortless even in tight spaces. Designed with soft, lightweight polyurethane foam, it fits snugly under your finger, giving you complete control and comfort during your projects. Whether you need to sand a small crevice or smooth out a larger surface, this mini sander flexes easily to reach every corner. With 5 different grits ranging from coarse to fine, you can tackle rough sanding, polishing, and finishing with precision. The sandpaper sheets are clearly marked, making it easy to choose the right grit for the task. Its compact size means it's always within reach, perfect for woodworking, crafts, and refinishing jobs. Whether you're working on intricate details or tight edges, this sander kit makes the job simple and efficient, helping you achieve professional quality results with ease. Number 5. The Noco Boost Plus GB40 is a lifesaver for anyone who drives. This compact yet powerful lithium battery jumpstarter gets your car running again in seconds, delivering 1,000 amps of power with up to 20 jump starts on a single charge. Designed for gasoline engines up to 6 liters and diesel engines up to 3 liters, it connects safely to any 12-volt vehicle without worrying about sparks or reverse polarity issues. It's more than just a jump starter. It doubles as a portable power bank for charging smartphones, tablets, and USB-C devices, making it a reliable tool for emergencies. With an integrated LED flashlight featuring 7 light modes, including a strobe and SOS signal, it's perfect for roadside situations. Built tough, its water-resistant rubberized casing ensures durability in any climate while preventing surface damage. Lightweight and easy to store, this is the ultimate travel companion for staying prepared on the road. Number 6. The Westinghouse EPX 3500 electric pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning with a compact, easy-to-use design. With 2,500 psi and up to 1.76 GPM, it blasts away dirt, grime, and stains on decks, driveways, garage floors, fences, and vehicles. Equipped with a pro-style steel wand and 5 quick-connect nozzles, including turbo and soap applicators, it offers precise control for different surfaces. The onboard soap tank lets you add detergents for deep cleaning action. Its lightweight build at just 19 pounds and 4 quick-lock wheels with 360-degree steering make it easy to move and store while preventing tipping. The nylon braided hose provides durability and flexibility, ensuring smooth operation. Designed for efficiency, the pump automatically stops when the trigger is released, conserving energy and extending motor life. Whether tackling stubborn messes or routine cleaning, this washer makes every job faster, easier, and more effective. Number 7. The Hyronica self-adjusting wire stripper is a must-have tool for electricians, technicians, and DIY enthusiasts. Designed to handle stripping, cutting, and crimping in one go, it eliminates the need for multiple tools, making wiring jobs simpler and more efficient. Its heat-treated, polished alloy steel blades ensure durability and precision, slicing through wires effortlessly. Whether working with copper, aluminum, or coaxial wires, this tool covers wire gauges from 22 Aruban florins to 10, providing a reliable grip every time. The automatic stripping function adjusts perfectly, saving time and reducing frustration. The rubber handle offers a comfortable grip, ensuring smooth operation without hand fatigue. Whether you're wiring a home project or tackling professional electrical work, this tool's mistake-free functionality guarantees clean and accurate results. Easy to use and built for long-term reliability, it's the perfect companion for anyone dealing with electrical wiring tasks. Number 8. The SOG entrenching tool is a rugged survival essential designed for outdoor enthusiasts, campers, and emergency preparedness. At full length, it reaches 18.25 inches, yet folds down to just 10 inches, making it incredibly compact and easy to store in a backpack or vehicle. Crafted from high-carbon steel, its durability allows it to tackle tough terrain, whether you're digging through dirt, gravel, sand, or even snow. The built-in wood saw edge is perfect for cutting small branches for kindling or clearing paths, adding even more versatility to this lightweight tool. Its ergonomic triangular handle provides a strong grip, making it comfortable to use for extended tasks like trenching or digging fire pits. With its 3-way folding design, it easily converts into a pick or hoe, adapting to different survival needs. Whether prepping a campsite or handling emergency situations, this tool is built to perform under all conditions. Number 9. The Camo foldable hydraulic lift table cart is designed to make heavy lifting effortless and safe. With a 500-pound capacity and a smooth lifting height of 28.5 inches, it tackles demanding tasks with ease. The foldable handle makes setup quick and simple. Just open it up and it's ready to go. Safety is a priority, featuring a sturdy chrome-plated handle, a rubber non-slip pad, and overload protection rods to prevent accidents. The hydraulic pump is built for durability with a high-quality seal that ensures smooth lifting and prevents leaks. Equipped with corrosion-resistant PU swivel wheels, it glides in any direction with 360-degree movement, offering easy maneuverability and secure locking for stability. The extended foot pedal allows effortless lifting, while the controlled descent function provides precision adjustments. Whether you're handling materials in a workshop or transporting equipment, this lift table cart reduces strain and increases efficiency, making work easier and more productive. Number 10. The Silly Non-Stick Wood Glue Brush Silicone Applicator Kit is a must-have for woodworking, arts, and crafts. With 2 sizes of silicone brushes, a glue tray, and a versatile squeegee, it makes applying glue smooth and mess-free. The smaller half-inch brush is perfect for precise applications on narrow strips and small joints, while the larger 1-inch brush handles thicker wood stock effortlessly. The comb side of the squeegee creates even glue grooves for strong bonds, and the smooth edge ensures flawless spreading. The included tray keeps glue easily accessible and allows for simple cleanup by pouring leftovers back into the bottle. Since the silicone brushes are non-stick, dried glue peels right off, making them reusable and hassle-free. Whether you're working on a detailed woodworking project or an artistic creation, this kit simplifies glue application, providing precision, efficiency, and an overall cleaner workspace. Number 11. The Kimo 18-gauge cordless brad nailer is built for efficiency, offering precision and speed without the hassle of cords or compressors. With adjustable nailing depth, it ensures each nail is driven to the perfect level, preventing surface damage or weak placements. Whether you need controlled single firing for delicate projects or rapid sequential firing up to 180 nails per minute, this tool adapts effortlessly. Reloading is simple with a tool-free magazine release, and the integrated safety nose pin prevents accidental firing, making it beginner-friendly. Powered by two 2.0 Ah batteries, it delivers long-lasting performance with quick charging so you never lose momentum. Its lightweight design and ergonomic grip provide excellent balance and maneuverability, ideal for tight spaces or overhead installations. A tool-free jam release mechanism keeps operations smooth, while its cordless freedom lets you work anywhere without restrictions. Reliable, powerful, and user-friendly, it's a game-changer for DIYers and professionals alike. Number 12. The 3M Extract Portable Dust Extractor is a powerhouse for keeping workspaces clean and dust-free. Designed to connect seamlessly with 3M Extract random orbital sanders, it removes fine particles from surfaces, improving air quality and sanding efficiency. Its industrial-grade vacuum system features an automatic filter cleaning mechanism that ensures continuous airflow without stoppages, so you never lose suction power. The HEPA filter captures even the smallest dust particles, making it ideal for woodworking, metal fabrication, and composite sanding. Built with a sturdy, compact frame, this extractor withstands tough industrial environments while remaining easy to maneuver. It's compatible with both pneumatic and electric sanders, allowing flexible operation across different setups. The automatic on and off function makes it hassle-free, engaging as soon as the connected tool is in use. Whether tackling heavy-duty projects or fine finishing work, this dust extractor keeps your workspace clean and efficient. Number 13. The Kywit's digital clamp meter is a reliable tool for electricians, DIYers, and professionals handling electrical troubleshooting. With true RMS accuracy, it measures AC and DC, voltage, temperature, capacitance, frequency, and resistance with precision. The unique D-shaped jaw opens up to 1.1 inches, making it easier to clamp onto various cables securely. Its non-contact voltage detection feature enhances safety, allowing users to identify live circuits without direct contact, and includes audible and visual alerts for stronger signals. Designed for convenience, it has built-in test lead storage, ensuring easy organization when not in use. The LCD backlight and integrated flashlight provide clear readings even in dim environments. A low battery indicator keeps you prepared, while the automatic shutoff function conserves power. Whether working on household systems, automotive repairs, or industrial projects, this clamp meter simplifies diagnostics and enhances safety with its efficient, user-friendly design. Number 14. The ICMP ICP 240 cable stripper is built for efficiency, handling 12 Aruban florins to 4/0 battery, welding, and stranded cables with ease. Its radial stripping design allows for both circular and longitudinal cuts, making end stripping and jacket removal effortless. The tool automatically adjusts to cable size, ensuring a precise, secure grip while performing radial cuts. Crafted with tempered steel blades, it stays sharp through extensive use, offering smooth rotation without snagging. 2 extra blades are included, extending its lifespan for continuous reliability. Designed with an ergonomic grip, the reinforced polyamide casing fits comfortably in hand, reducing strain during prolonged use. This versatile tool cuts through various jacket materials like PVC, rubber, and PE, making it perfect for electrical, automotive, and DIY applications. Whether in the hands of professionals or hobbyists, it's a reliable, efficient solution for clean and precise cable stripping.